had a really weird drink tonight.
What was it?
You might find it strange, yeah? Well, I got the Miata. I'm going to go out with the doggos.
Come. Now you're officially gay.
You may be wondering why we got another Miata, and the simple answer to it is why not? Realistically, I really always liked Sam's Miata. I was always inside of it and when he was drifting and everything, so I just thought like this is a cool opportunity and our friends were selling it, so just thought why not? And this car is basically gonna be my practice car because I never tried drifting, because it's already a good setup. That's the thing, like it has good wheels, good bucket seats, steering wheel, everything is already ready for the drift, because the guy was well, the diff as well. It's basically just ready to practice with. We know the guy that owned this car, we know him very well. He used to drift in a couple events that we were in as well, so they were happy that it's not a random person that's taking the car and it's us, and they're still gonna see it, you know, on the channel and stuff. So I'm pretty happy with the purchase. So here it is, the magical new Miata of the channel. Nothing really fancy, basic 1.6 engine, but it does make 115 horses. This is actually the Japanese version, so it's the Anus Roadster. Makes 115 horses, which is not bad for 1.6 as well. Should be fun. The guy we bought it from, he never drove this car on the roads. It was just used for events, so he never needed to register it. So it doesn't look like it's in a good shape, but it actually runs well. Body is pretty trashed because of the events, but that's exactly what we're gonna use it for as well. Let me take you around the car real quick. 14x9 wheels, so because they're 14 inches, the car sits unbearably low. That's why we said it's unusable in the last video. Also, same bucket seats as in Sam's Miata, but they're faster. Really nice steering wheel. I prefer the wooden ones to leather ones. For some reason, it just feels nicer in my hands. Yeah. Let me also show you why it's pretty cool, yeah?
Okay. Oh, that's cool, mate. That's cool.
You push this in. What is really cool about this car is this.
Nice.
So because it's the Japanese version, has a couple extra things like nice air conditioning and electric windows. It's so low. In terms of suspension, we have coilovers in here. Also the diff is welded and the steering angle on front wheel is bigger, so it's easier to use it. One thing I do not know if I want to keep is the stickers. Because realistically, yeah, I cannot see anything through the car. Also very nice thing is the hardtop. It's pretty rare to find these ones with hardtops. So we're pretty happy about it. At some point we're probably gonna repaint the whole car, or yeah, we'll see about that when it's warmer. In terms of what we need to do today is we need to lift the car a bit because it's unbearably low. Let me show you here how low it is. This thing, yeah, is about 2 centimeters off the floor. And it's scraped on the way in. Also yesterday we got the new radiator for the car. The old one snapped, like in here there's a hole, so we're just gonna replace it. It was pretty cheap. And pretty much the most important thing, we need to fix a bit of the back wheel situation we have there. When we went to Seduced drift event with the guys, there was a bit of a crash that this Miata had.
Which actually I filmed.
Yeah, which you filmed actually.
Cały? Nie no, nie widać nawet, ale koło się przesunęło, no rozbieżne.
O kurwa, zajebiście. Ej, fajnie to wyglądało? Masz to nagrane?
Ale blisko było, co?
Max blisko.
Zajebiście.
So the wheel is a bit bent, so we need to take it off and see what exactly we need to replace. It's probably the lower control arm, so we're gonna check it out.
Should be easy fix.
Yeah, it's NIGHTRIDE, everything is easy fix. For me personally, I do kind of prefer these kind of cars because they're all pretty beaten up, but they work, so you just use them to have fun. And
Yeah,
that's what I wanna do.
you're not afraid to go 100%.
Yeah, that's the thing. I just really wanna learn a lot of stuff with this car. Just go 100%. Also, very nice engineering in here, yes?
Opa.
Oh! No more hammers, no more
Axes.
lapatkas, no more axes.
Nice.